Alright guys, what's up? So, things been going great. It's been awesome driving the car, you know, having a lot of fun, back to normal driving and everything like that. But as you guys know, I've wanted to get my car to look a lot better before the accident happened, before my car breaking happened, any of that. So by now, if my car wasn't broken and breaking every event or whatever, the car body work would be done, new kit, painted, and looking like a proper drift car, not some drift missile that, you know, I just kind of drive. So, as you guys know, I got hit in Atlanta by Ethan because my car broke, lost all power. He didn't know have anywhere to go. He ran me in the rear. Pretty good. I just haven't had time to fix it. But luckily, I met Billy Mitchel. He fixed Kelsey Rawlings' car, and that was totaled. He fixed my buddy Christian's car. And if you guys didn't know, on Adam's channel, the Chaser we just rebuilt is also rebuilt all by him. So I hit him up, and we are here at his shop, and he also just built some crazy, pretty much pro drift car. 50Z LS craziness, beautiful stuff. This is his dad's shop right here. They've been doing this for years, but he's new to drifting. So we're fixing the car today. I'll show you the Z and we'll have a good night. So I'm really excited. The car's finally getting back to normal, and so yeah, here you go. Let's look. All right, we're here in the shop. This is Billy Mitchel right here. You guys don't know him. He fixed Adam's Chaser, made it look brand new. I don't know how he did it. He's magical. He has crazy hands. He's crazy. So now you guys know this freaking ugly stupidness of a dent is very annoying. I like my stuff nice. I can't stand my stuff not looking good. So we're gonna pull this out today and make it look pretty good. Hopefully it comes back to, I trust. I'm not gonna question it. It's gonna look fine, I promise. But this is his car he just built. It is probably one of the nicest builds I've ever seen. I'm not even exaggerating. This thing is like state of the art, beautiful. Like, what engine is this? Like, what exact LS platform, whatever?
427 LS7, fully built.
God, dude, this thing. I'm not even an LS guy, and I'm like obsessed with this car already. This thing's beautiful. Like, it's crazy. The fab work is all done by him. This whole car is built by him. Like, he did this whole thing yourself, right? Like,
yeah, yep.
America. He did everything. Look at this car. This car is literally absolutely beautiful. Like, I can't even.
Oh, doors open if you want.
Oh yeah. Wow. Like, incredible. Like, I love seeing builds that are actually done right. Maybe one day I'll have my car done right. But this thing's beautiful. Like, it's rear mount rad, fuel cell. It's just all beautiful AN stuff. The carbon pieces, the wrap, the plexi, all the anything you could want in a car is right here. This thing is awesome. He's gonna drive it for the first time on what, Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Saturday night. I'm gonna try and drive. That's the goal.
But broken in, or?
Yep, or you know, it's yeah, you're gonna have some kind of something going on, but very rare that anything just goes planned the first time.
No.
But now what we're gonna do is probably pull the over off. No, drill it off. We should. I think we should.
We can. We're first gonna see how much actually wants to come out.
Right. Yeah.
And maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we won't.
Yeah.
Cross your
But
fingers.
I'm down to pull the over off just to see everything that's in there, so we can, like, you know, it's not that bad. It's a little crack, whatever. The other side's worse now. Did I say about that?
Yeah.
I told you about
Little boo-boo.
Yeah, we had a little issue. I'm not even gonna say what it was, but it's a bummer. My Type X tails got a little crack, but I mean, it's drifting. They can be replaced. But
Just a little love.
like I said, after this thing gets fixed, I can finally like get my wiring redone, get the car body work redone, and then get it painted so it can actually look good for once. But this car's a good car. It's a good car. It needs some love on the outside, but the mechanical aspect is all dialed and runs great, so that's all I care about really. But now it's time to finally make it look good. All right, so we got the tool here. I don't know what I forgot. The porta what?
Porta power.
Porta power, like porta potty, porta power.
And what we're trying to do here is kind of block it all up so that we can kind of spread everything out and push apart.
Right.
But all this is smushed up in between into the frame rail, so I can't really get the wedge down in there.
Right.
To kind of start pulling it.
So you gotta push it out and then get in there.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Make a little room.
Right. It's pretty cool. I've never seen like actual like this before. That's kind of wild. But it's very interesting to me how bodywork and stuff works. So the tools they use, it's pretty wild. So the porta power is actually hand controlled.
Yes, sir.
It's really cool because you can actually like do it by hand and do the right exact, like, I guess, measurement or point you want to stop at. I've seen air controlled ones and you can get more damage by using those. If you push a button too far, you're kind of toast. But
make more damage.
It's like more damage than you want to do. So it's really cool this stuff works. So pretty much you're just bracing force on this side to push out that. So it's pretty cool. pretty much got most of the dent, as you would say, out, but now he has room to work, so we can get this looking kind of almost back to normal. But I'm already amazed of how much has happened with like no hard work at all. Yeah, like maybe 5 minutes. So pretty stoked. But my plan still is to get an over that fits the entire rear and covers all this. So we'll get this to be presentable for the open house Sunday or whatever. But I mean, anything's better than before. We're hammering our way over here, and now look at all this crap on the floor. This is all from my car, if you guys can't see. I have a pile of crap, and there's cockroaches coming out of my car. Out of that. Like, my car. Oh, insurance.
You need some insurance?
Is this mine? Draw it out. All right, we're getting there. Way better than before. I actually have a rear end kind of. So much better.
It's coming back.
Yeah. So we're having to drop some rivets right now. From the impact, it kind of shocked the, I guess, like fiberglass forward. Maybe is that what it is?
Just kind of folded everything.
Yeah,
up.
it kind of like smushed it, and like it's stuck. So we have to drill them out so it can kind of explode into where it's supposed to go.
Just relieve some pressure.
Yeah, exactly. As you guys know, the damage was pretty significant. It was really bad, but you can't ever make that perfect again unless you have hours of work or just get a whole new rear end or something. But we got it pretty dialed for what it was. Way better. Like, it's actually a fender now and actually not a hole of a crevice of darkness. But so my plan is to have it like this for a little bit. I'll probably paint it a little bit to get it touched up for the open house or just in general. But probably later down the road I'll probably do even a bigger over. I might test fit my buddies over to see if they fit and cover all this, but if not, I'll have to do the Super Drift kit, which means you cut off like pretty much the whole end of the car and do a full renew body panel of everything. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, but you know, it actually is a car again. I get some tape. Some red tape. All done. See ya. But yeah, a lot better. It's way back to normal. It's not nasty looking, but I'm pretty stoked. Thank you so much. You guys want any body work or anything of that area of work, 100% go to Billy. Like, he really brought Adam's car back to life, and mine's like, mine has a heart again. It has a heart again. It has some attitude. But like, if you just see this, like, I mean, come on. This just shows the kind of work he can do. So that is pretty badass. But I mean, he also a fabricator. So cages, cages, 2 fronts, bash bars.
Anything
I mean,
you want.
look, right there. There's a race car. He did the whole thing himself. So anything you want, hit him up. Put his Instagram in the link below. And I'll post Bet's Instagram too so you guys can get to him easier. But this is just like a cakewalk for him pretty much, almost compared to what he usually does.
Just mushing some paint.
Yeah, pretty much. But oh, I'm stoked. Way better. I can actually, like, it looks presentable now. Drift car, you know, it happens. All right, what's up, guys? So thank you so much to Billy for fixing my car. The car looks so much better. But I'm making this video, 2 videos actually. So I got a last minute text from Tommy from OSW, and he wanted me to come do a demo for Crasharama, a drift demo, sorry. Crasharama is a very crazy event with like trailer racing and like demolition derby and crazy people and monster trucks, which I love, and just a bunch of crazy shit. It's wild. I've never experienced before, but we're gonna go, you know, do it, I guess. I've never seen it, never done it. I've seen it like on videos, I haven't been there physically in person. But yeah. So we're gonna go drive that tomorrow. So I've never done it. I'm just gonna put the car on the trailer, bring it over there, do like a crazy lap with Adam and Taylor, and should be fun. So let's see how it goes. got so hot when you were behind me, I couldn't go.
I'm sure.
I'm sorry. I couldn't go. Alright, so we just got back from Crasharama, and that that was the craziest thing I ever done. So like me, Adam, and Taylor, we go out, and we had like a strategy to do like a certain like kind of layout and technique with each other to do like a planned almost like tandem, you know. But then after like the first like, I don't know, minute, it kind of just went out in craziness, and I went with Taylor and I went myself, and then Adam went doing his thing, and I went that way, and this way we crossed this way and did crazy, did 360s, and Adam's over the corner on the wall, floored in first gear, just roasting the tires. Taylor's over there doing some stuff. I'm spinning in circles, doing crazy shit. Cars at like 270 degrees, overheating. I'm just still floored. The crowd was going crazy. It was hilarious. And there's monster trucks. I was freaking out because I love monster trucks. I got there, and I didn't know they were going to be there. Well, I've seen them there before, but I didn't see them when I got there. But they got into the track, and the monster trucks literally pulled up next to me. That got me stoked. I wanted to drive the living shit out of my car. And it was amazing. It was so much fun. I'm so glad I did. Even though it was one like lap out there, it was probably one of the most fun I ever had in the oval. We just went out there and just tore shit up pretty much, and got all the rednecks and everybody happy as hell. And I did a burnout going out of the chute, and people were screaming. It was a blast. But I'm sorry for not doing it on filming right now. I was really busy, again, as always. But I kind of just went and did it and filmed up my GoPro on my G7X, and that was it. So here's your clip of me closing out this video. Special thanks to Billy again for fixing my car. Now that is temporary. We got it back to normal-ish. Plan is to get it body work done and a new over fender to make it look brand new again, and then get the whole car body work and everything, you know, redone, brand new for 2020. But also, that was an awesome experience with Crasharama. It was a bunch of fun. Definitely will do it again. But once again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. My apologies for having that shadow on my face. I know it was going to happen, but I'm not going to refilm it because I don't want to, and it's late, and I'm tired, and I want to go to sleep so I can edit this video and get it up for you guys so I can continue to do more videos. So you guys know the drill. Peace out. Thanks. Love you.